So my name is Abhishek and I want to directly go on the main topic, and that is how to install any paid or unpaid apps which we cannot find it easily on any kind of that like Play Store, and if you just type on Google, just I want the Avengers Endgame movie, it will not appear. You know that, right? So I want to just tell you that yes, I found the way to install any kind of anything, and I want to share it with you guys. So hit the like button right now, and I am just subscribe to my this channel, and I will just upload some new of the new kind of videos, so you can just be acknowledged with the present world how to just get illegal files and that sort of shits. So first subscribe, alright? So first of all, go for opening the Play Store, and yes, everyone has Play Store, right? I want you to search one title, and probably so many knows about the title, and that is uTorrent. But do you know how to use it? Probably 60 to 65% doesn't know how to use to uTorrent to install any kind of illegal files which you wanted to see in movies, anything. Like let's say that you want to install Avengers Endgame. It's just released right now, right? You want to just install. Yes, I had seen it right now in this torrent, and I want to acknowledge you. I want to know. I'll just tell you that how to, you know, just use torrent to see any stuff, to download any stuff. Let's say that you want a licensed evaluation copy of any high brand antivirus software, and it cannot be free available. Okay, and this by just revealing you by this trick, you can just use any kind of licensed software of antivirus or any kind of sheets like Walking Dead. You want all the episodes? Yes, it's unlocked, it's cracked, and I'll show you right now that only. So we are installed this uTorrent, right? So let's go for the next step. So now I want you to open the Chrome. Everyone has it, right? So I want you to just search Google and just click on this microphone and speak these words: unblocker.cc. Okay, so then I want you to open Chrome and search on Google and just type these following words, and that is unblocker.cc. If you are seeing this video on laptop, then I want you to open the microphone and speak it, okay, through your microphone, because if you type it, the government has blocked this site because it's illegal. So the microphone is the best way to open unblocker.cc from laptop. If it's phone, you are on it, boss. Okay, so you just type on unblocker.cc. So I want you to go to, let's say, Pirate Bay. It's one type of unblocker, okay, a illegal site, but it's okay, the police won't go on to you, okay. So if you want Shazam, I just searched Shazam, and these all types of files has came. And I'm not saying that this is fake, alright, it is all real. Just look at the space, it's just showing. Just look at this, man. It's 1.09 GB. It means it is true, and we can get it for free. Shazam is the newly released movie. You can get it like that. So here it is. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you like this video, okay. And yes, you just open this one of these files and just go for get torrent, okay. So this file will be transferred to torrent which we downloaded earlier, and yes, you can watch it after this install. Thank you.